Good morning. Okay, so I wanted to give you guys an update the morning of. There will not be a part 3 this week because I have not finished the couch. It is almost there, and it is looking so good, and I'm really happy about it. It's just I had a few little hiccups this week, and we will be back on track next week. Happies though, I sold the coffee table for $170, so that is a full amount profit of $170 because I got that out of the garbage. And I sold the desk. The desk sold finally. Oh my gosh, finally. When someone reached out and they wanted to get it, they bought it for $200. I couldn't be happier. I'm so happy that it finally sold, and you guys have stuck around. This desk has been around for a long time, and I'm really happy that it finally sold. So those are my updates. Part 3 is coming, I promise. And I sold 2 pieces this week, which was great. And we will be back on track. If you are curious why this week took so long, I actually kind of got the flu. My daughter has had a cold, and my nanny got sick too. So we've been a little sluggish this week. So stick around and please subscribe and like this video if you're wanting to see part 3. And I am getting it together, you guys, I promise. And I will see you guys next week. Thank you so much for being here and going on this crazy journey. And I will see you next time. I post every Sunday at 8 a.m. See you then.